Welcome back to Jessie's Performance. We are here with another update on the NASROD. We have been doing a little bit of testing and had to go back to the drawing board a little bit on the front suspension. It's a little bit of a tie rod control arm issue, and it's more just the geometry maybe of the way things are. We've kind of had to re-engineer a couple things. I don't know, this is so beyond my pay grade, but Jesse's got it handled and he's pretty sure he's got the fix. We are going to be testing here very shortly. The guys are in there right now working on it. So we are less than a week now from leaving for LS Fest. The event is a week from tomorrow. No pressure. We have, just a ton of stuff left to do, but things are looking really good so far. We're in really good shape and we can't wait to get out there for the event. Don't forget the NASROD is going to be in the purpose-built booth. The Trans Am is going to be in the LSX booth. We're only bringing the 2 cars this year, but we're also gonna have the Dually Max there. If y'all want to check that out, that'll be in the drag pits. And then thankfully, LS Fest is finally coming to Texas. Holley announced a couple of weeks ago, they're adding a 3rd event. It's this June, and it's like a mile from our shop at Texas Motor Speedway. So we will hit that event strong. So stay tuned for that. Back to the Vegas event. We are just about ready. We've got to pack up, get a few things done, but things are looking really good. We're in really good shape. So let's check out the NASROD. Here we go.
Ready? Clear, fire in the hole.
I didn't want nothing to do with it.
Oh. Okay.
What? Yeah, but it hurt the oil pan, Kyle.
Oh no.
Yeah, it did. The U-joint came out.
Spit out.
Yeah, because you didn't weld those pieces in, did you?
No.
The caps. Okay. Well, it hit the block, but it didn't hurt it. But I can fix the oil pan.
And then we
Just gotta get it off.
But the suspension's still together.
That was first and second gear. Yes.
Yeah, and it also ripped the shit out of these. Does it look bent at all? They look good, because it was pulling on this one.
Oh, it's dude.
Hard.
So.
Yeah,
Did you
I think
feel
I
in
was
the
recording.
steering? Is that the
Oh,
deal?
look.
That's what happens when you get on it and it jerks.
Oh, it wants to pull real hard, so I was pulling back real hard there. That's all right, we can fix that. We just need a new U-joint.
Yeah, that's the parts that are important are still there.
Did we break the steering arm? Oh, yeah, we did.
We whacked the shit out of it.
Yeah. So what I want to do is I want to build a lower pan with a steel piece against the motor.
Yep.
Yeah. All right, Kyle, get the forklift. Let's just pick it up and put it back in the shop.
So this is how we tow the NASROD.
There you go. All right.
Boom, boom.
Yeah. You win some, you lose some, right?
That's right.
We'll wait for this jackass to get out of here. All right. Man, I need a Mountain Dew. Holy cow. Testing was successful. We fixed our tie rod problem, I think. I mean, that's a good send there. And we got bigger pieces we can still put on there, but it worked. It didn't break anything except for the U-joint. The front U-joint broke. That was an installation error on our part. We're gonna get that fixed up. I think we dinged up the oil pan a little bit. I'm gonna get that ironed out, and we'll have this thing. I think we're probably just gonna tear it apart tonight and get it ready for paint and stuff. I feel confident in what we got. You know, so yeah. What'd you think?
Dude, epic. Thing's
Yeah?
loud.
Yes.
It was shaking the ground.
Yes. Yes.
I've never heard anything louder. That was
No?
nuts. Yeah.
It's pretty crazy. Huh?
That was wild, man.
It's pretty crazy.
Yeah.
Especially for something like this to make that kind of noise. It's cool.
So impressive.
Thank you. Thank you. Well, let's get it in. Let's get her fixed.
All right.
All right, y'all, that's it for this week. We will be in Vegas next weekend. If you're there, come check this car out. If not, sorry you missed it. Thanks for watching.